SOL AI review. Hello humans and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this software called SOL AI. So right now we are on the sales page. How do you come to the sales page? For that you will find a link below my video. It will be saying grab SOL AI copy here. Click on that link and then come to the page where you will get some discount coupon as well. So you can use this coupon code SOL5 to get $5 off, and also you can try SOL admin for 30% off on the funnel. Okay, so you can get this in $12 to start with, as you can see here, if you use the coupon code, right? And coming back here, we have the demo video as well. So let's watch the demo video first.
This software uses
And then we'll talk about how you can go and get this software. So we don't talk about the bonuses in the beginning. If you want to know what my bonuses are, then make sure you watch the video till the end. And as the title says, that watch the video till the end if you want to make real money online as well. So these products will come and go. But if you actually want to make money online, then just watch the video till the end, because there is a secret. It's an open secret, okay? So we'll discuss that in the end, because if these software were supposed to make money, then everybody can afford. But the software will do something, they will generate some content for you, some images for you. Now we have AI, so we can generate images, videos, stuff like that, articles. But eventually making money online is much more than that. So this software is going to create the articles for you, as you can see here, and then it is going to create some images, I guess. Let me see. So you can watch this demo video on the sales page as well. So this is the images you can see they have generated. So go and watch this demo video in your free time. It's only 2 minutes long, okay? So let's come back to the sales page here and keep scrolling. So GPT SOL is here, and only a few US government approved companies have access to blah blah blah. It's all about AI. So you're getting a lot of AI in just one AI, okay? So keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. Don't lose hopes. Keep scrolling. So this is what you can generate using AI, okay? So they're showing some sample images, as you can see here. And again, some sample videos. And let's get down to see if we have that demo video, which I have just shown you, which is right here. So this is that demo video, which you can watch. Let's get to the bottom to see some question answers right here. So does SOL AI work on a device? Of course. Does it cost a monthly fee? No. Do I need any skills? Of course not. Will this work to create content in any niche? Yes. Is support and training included? They say yes, as per their claim. Okay. So go and get this if you want, or even if you just want my bonuses, then go and grab the copy. So whether you want this SOL AI or not, but if you would want my bonuses, which we're going to talk about in the end, then you will have to go and buy from me. So let's get to the front end here. This is what you will get in front end. Then you have OTO1, which is Pro. This is what you get in Pro Unlimited. Then OTO2 is Enterprise. Then OTO3 is DFY. OTO4 is Reseller. OTO5 is IMX. OTO6 is White Label License, okay? So as you can see, my bonuses are linked with the sales page. So you go and grab the copy now. So go and get the copy using my link if you want my bonuses or if you want a product. Make sure you watch the video till the end if you want to make money online. Till then, keep watching. Alright humans, so we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access review to profit AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material. Okay, so review to profit AI. And if you want to see the demo video for review to profit AI, then you can click on this link, says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here. And then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for review to profit AI, okay, to know how this works. But it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab Kishacking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours 9 minutes, and in this training you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales. So you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you. Okay. Then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what Forex trading is. Okay. And if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only it's for people who are interested in trading. Okay, so in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading if you want. You can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos. Okay, so the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget. Okay. Second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is all. This is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by getting free traffic. Okay, so when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks. Okay, so go and try this. If you are serious about making money on YouTube, this is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in ChatGPT or wherever. Okay, so go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there. Okay. What else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. And you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes. Okay, so you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me even before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kiss tracking is I'm giving you as a bonus. Okay, because as you can see here, I'm selling kiss tracking separately and I'm selling this review to profit separately as well. Okay, but if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus. Okay, so how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically. Okay, otherwise you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt and I'll send you these bonuses manually. Okay, and if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free. Okay, I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it, otherwise do not buy. Okay, so what I mean to say is buy only if you want it, no refunds. Okay, make up your mind, then only buy from me, right? So use my link below to go and grab your copy if you want it, or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value. Okay, I told you I sell this separately, okay, so maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, $10, $12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus. Okay, so only buy if you want it, don't buy if you're a refund seeker. Okay, anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.